Jai Ho, my dear children of class 7. I welcome you all for today's class. As you know, in our previous class, we learned the second lesson of physical education and the topic was the game football, and we studied law number 1, that is the field of play. In field of play, you came to know the ground. Now let us know more in detail the law number 2, that is the ball. So children, are you all ready? Okay, very nice. So children, law number 2, that is football. Now let us know in detail about the law number 2, the ball. So what is the weight of the ball? What kind of material is being used to play the football, and many more things. So let us see one by one what are we going to study in law number 2, that is the ball. So we are going to know the shape of the ball, weight of the ball, air pressure to be filled in football, and the circumference of the ball, and the last one is the material used to play football. So how the football is made up of, what is the air pressure filled in it, and what is the material used in making a football. So first is shape of the ball. When you see the football, you think it is round in shape. Yes, you see it as round in shape, but it is spherical in shape. So this is what shapes you are studying in your mathematics subjects. So you can ask to your geometry maths teacher about the shapes which they will tell you also. This is a ball not in round, it is in spherical shape. So the shape of the football is spherical. Then second one is weight of the ball. So what is the weight of the ball? So the weight of the ball is 410 to 450 grams. So the weight of the football is 410 grams to 450 grams. Then we have air pressure. So the air pressure to be filled in the ball. So the air pressure, what is the air pressure required to fill the ball so that we can play it freely without getting any injuries or hurt. So the air pressure filled in the football is 0.6 minus 1.1 atmosphere at the sea level. So the air pressure to be filled is 0.6 minus 1.1 atmosphere at the sea level. So this is the air pressure filled in the football. Now what is the circumference of the ball? So the circumference of the ball, so you can see this, the circumference of the ball is 27 to 28 inches. So the circumference of the ball is 27 inches to 28 inches. Now the material used to prepare a football. So what kind of material is being used? So there are different material used for different balls in the sports equipment. Now in football, the material used for this is a soft leather. It is made up of soft leather of synthetic. So the ball is made up of synthetic, which is a soft leather where we don't get hurt, we don't get injured while playing football. And we have a bladder. So we have a bladder inside. So you might have visited to some cycle shops, some two-wheeler garage, so puncture shops. That time you might have seen, as the tire is hard outside but inside there is a bladder. We call it as tube. for cycle tube, bike tube or car tube. So that tube is made up of rubber. So that rubber is there inside the ball. So outside the cover we can see that there is a synthetic soft leather material, but inside there is a rubber bladder. We call it as rubber bladder, as we call for cycle tube and bike tube we call a bladder, which is there inside, and the air pressure is been filled in that bladder and it is made up of rubber. So this will take the bladder will take the air pressure to blow the ball. So we can play, after filling the air we can play football. So my dear children of class 7, this was law number 2 of the football, and we will learn more laws in football in our upcoming classes. So till that, take care of your health, take care of your studies, do well in your studies, and we will meet in the next class very soon. So till that, saying bye bye to you all. Jai Hind.